fully branded launch pack. What's that then, Gareth? Tell me about that.
So when we've created all the portal for you, you need something to actually launch with. So we provide a number of things to the clients. QR code posters is the first one. So you turn up to site and you've forgotten to do your induction. You scan the QR code with your phone, it takes you to the induction there and straight away. The second one is an email flyer, which exactly what it says on the tin. You send an email to all of your users, they sign up individually and they'll be delivered through the intelligent sign up, everything that they'll need to do. And also the portal matrix as well, so you'll get a signed off version of your training matrix to show what courses are to be shown for what department, all the expiries and everything to go with it as well. Also, we provide training guides as well, so if you're struggling to download a certificate on the phone, we provide that as well. And if you need any further assistance, any documents that you think that are going to help your users, let us know and we'll provide them for you.
Brilliant.